If you want to create a design like this without writing a single line of code and save your time and energy, I'm here to show you how. Grab your coffee and let's get started. First, create a new folder. Name it whatever you like. Open it in Visual Studio Code. Create a new HTML file. Next, go to DeepSeek and write this prompt. Create a modern navigation bar using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. It should have a black background with rounded corners. 5 icons. You can use icons from Font Awesome or similar. A circular green indicator that moves with animation to the selected icon. A small curved cutout in the bar to follow the green indicator. Smooth animation when switching between tabs. Wait a few seconds for the code to generate. Copy the code, paste it into your HTML file, run it. Check out the result. And you can change the colors as you like. Honestly, the result looks super professional for something that took almost no time. Try it yourself and tell me in the comments, did you like the result or not? If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like and follow for more. See you in the next one.